everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Thorpe Park Resort for the pass holder day. It's almost like a preview day of what the main season is going to be like. Obviously the opening day for the main season is the 28th of March. So today I'll kind of go around the park, share some thoughts and experiences on some of the rides and show you a couple of the updates. And for those of you that don't know, they actually have Colossus here. They've still got this sign up for it, which is quite funny. But behind you you've got Mr. Monkey's Banana Ride as well, which I thought it was meant to be going this season, but it's still here and still operating. They are already advertising for their Fright Nights, which is running from the 3rd of October to the 2nd of November. And this is right where Trailers is located. Even though it is a pass holder day, they still have their full ride lineup available, with even Ghost Train and The Walking Dead being open, which is quite nice. The only thing that is closed for the whole day, which we don't actually know why, and I'll try and find out if I can talk to a member of staff, is actually Stealth. So Stealth isn't going to be opening today, nor is the Ben & Jerry's ice cream shop, so no milkshakes for me, which is a bit sad. But Hyperion is open, and it was on a 30-minute queue earlier, which is absolutely insane. Either way, we're going to go for our first ride today on Colossus. We do have Hyperion here, which is the Mack hypercoaster that's at Thorpe Park. Opening up last year, over 200 foot tall, the tallest and the fastest in the UK now. It's just insane. Over 14 seconds of airtime as well. What a beauty. Over by the entrance of the Deadbeat, we actually have where an old ride used to stand, that being Slammer, which, well, closed quite a while ago in the 2017 season and just stood here SB&O, so standing but not operating for so long. And obviously they've finally removed it now, and it's freed up quite a lot of space really. Look at this, so you've got all the new fencing over there as well. But yeah, this is an S&S Sky Swap, one of only two that was ever made. So yeah, it's nice to see that they're already offering advertising the Friday nights as well, and Deadbeat being such a good maze too. Oh yes. Whilst we were going to go on it, it's actually closed now, but it gives me a chance to talk to you about all the painting that they've done over the closed season yet again. So all that remains, as I spoke about in my last video, is the lift hill, obviously the whole of first drop as well, and this vertical loop here. And that is everything. So the rest of it's looking really, really nice now. And I must admit, as much as I hate on Colossus, it looks really good. But you can see the difference there. It's a very stark difference, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. So hopefully they get it sorted out in the next season, next closed season. But yeah, look at this. Beauty. A bit more of the paintwork done over the closed season. Yeah. Got a dispatch, they're obviously testing it here. I wonder how smooth it's going to be. So we just come off our ride on Colossus and it was amazing. The best experience ever.
Horrible. Horrible.
No, it was great. You know, all the slate that I give Colossus, right, I put my neck forward and we were on some decent seats. We were towards the back as well. It was actually all right. It was great, I think. These two disagree, so it was great.
So bad. The restraints were terrible. I hit my neck there.
Just hurts.
I feel paralyzed.
Wait till we go on Saw. So I don't know what we're going to go on next, but I'll let you know. What Park have done is over the closed season, it looks like they've repainted the whole bottom of the half of the beach, and all of the sand looks like it's nice and clean as well. Actually looks really, really nice. So obviously, once we get to the warmer seasons, it'll be back open, but at the moment it's not. And then over here is where they are planning to build the sort of entertainment area. As you can see, not much has really been done. But yeah, it looks a bit beaten, and obviously we're only 2 weeks away from open season, so yeah, I wouldn't want to leave it like this. It's a bit of an eyesore. But Depth Charge has also had a repaint, and according to Jack Silkson, they are getting new boats. So yeah, so I'm going to go take a ride on the fly fish, and then we're going to go on Swarm after. Lovely. It's really nice to see that they've added an area for Adam to sit in. But on a serious note, this is so cool. A whole dog area. There you go, Adam. Go spend the rest of the day in there, mate. Good boy. So we are about to go for a ride in the Swarm after the highly intense flying fish. So, yeah, I mean, I love this area. It's such a good area. Oh, and it's gone down as well. So far, luck hasn't been very good with coasters, has it? But this whole area it's like a ghost town almost on the past holiday. Wow. But it makes it good to get some rides in before the main season. Look at that. Yeah, such a cool ride, seriously. Amazing theme as well. Look at that. First wing coaster here in the UK. And not until long ago, it was only in here, so... Oh my God, this is heavy. Let me just put it down a sec. So we just come off from our ride on Rush, and it's such a short cycle now, it kind of ruins it almost. You're on there for about 20 seconds max, and then you spend a minute at the end of the ride just sat there waiting for your restraints to come up. But we're going to head over to Soar now anyways, okay? So I'll join you with closer to Soar. Look at this guy. Yeah, I'm not really looking forward to the Soar ride, but I'm going to get the one ride in now while it's a 10-minute wait. It just makes sense. I mean, the past holiday is a perfect day to get those coasters and flat rides in that you don't care about. Basically everything other than Hyperia. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to go get my neck broken now. I'll join you after. Soar Alive Horror Maze. It's a shame that that's never come back. I'm surprised it hadn't sunk yet, to be fair. Oh, you ruined it. So I just come off from my ride on Soar, and it was actually all right, to be fair. We was on row 2, on the outside seat I was, and minus the first drop, and then all the other inversions, and then the rest of the layout other than the brake run, it was actually really good. Yeah, basically the whole ride, yeah. But we love Soar though. We love the theming. I love mannequins. We like mannequins. I just got off my ride from the Greater Nemesis, obviously Nemesis Inferno. I mean, look at it go. It's an absolute world-class coaster. No more. This is a much better choice. Look at that. So much better. Although Coca-Cola, oh no, gross. So we just come off from our ride on the Swarm after it obviously closed earlier on, but we come back round and got another ride on it. 5-minute wait time. I mean, honestly, past holidays are insane. This is the first time that I've been to one. There's hardly any queues. I mean, Hyperia's on a 30-minute queue. But yeah, no, the Swarm is such an amazing B&M wind coaster, and it's so smooth, seriously. Now that they've unlocked the vest restraints as well, it feels a hell of a lot better. Hell of a lot better. You can actually move around. It's a very comfortable ride now. So, over at Stealth, which is closed all day, unfortunately. I don't actually know why. Probably due to weather. It's pretty chilly, pretty cold, but either way, it's not the end of the world. I mean, the queues are still hardly anything. I mean, this whole area looks really, really good as well. And they have recently refurbed the Ben & Jerry's Scoop Shop, which is awesome because those ice cream, yogurt, I don't know, milkshake things are so good, seriously. So, but unfortunately, that's also not open today, which sucks because I would have had an ice cream. Even with it being freezing, still would have had an ice cream. But yeah, so you've got digital screens in there. It looks a lot nicer. So as you just see, the Rubber Rapids is drained and it will be returning in May, which is fair enough. It is way too cold for it and they cost a lot to run as well, these do. However, I don't really understand why they have Tidal Wave open when it's so cold. But some nutters are still going on it. Fair play to those people, but you can never be me. You can never catch me. I do wonder what stands for the future of these rides. Obviously your rapid rides. Got some new pieces of theming. By that I mean turf, rocks and a fence. And then a temporary fence with a couple more plants over there as well. It looks a hell of a lot better, to be fair. Especially once it all grows in. And it stops me from going on it and ruining it like before. Hopefully they do similar things to that side.